Walking barefoot across a hardwood floor usually ends with that annoying crunch of crumbs or the sticky sensation of a spilled drink you forgot to wipe up. We have all been there. You spend your Saturday morning pushing a heavy vacuum around or dragging a mop bucket that just spreads dirty water. It feels like a never-ending cycle. But things are shifting in a way that makes me think we might finally be done with manual labor. There's a new cleaning bot on the scene that does more than just suck up dirt. It actually scrubs. I am talking about dual spinning mop pads that put real pressure on the floor. Most robots just drag a damp cloth behind them. This one mimics the actual motion of scrubbing a stain. Think about those muddy paw prints or the dried coffee rings in the kitchen. This machine senses the mess and works harder on it. It has suction power that is nearly 3 times stronger than what we used to see in the past. That means it is grabbing the deep grit from between floorboards. The smartest part is how it handles rugs. Nobody wants a soggy carpet. This bot detects the transition and lifts its wet pads up high enough to keep your expensive rugs bone dry. It uses advanced laser navigation to see the world. It maps out your entire home with incredible precision. It knows a stray charging cable is not a snack. It avoids shoes and toys like a pro. It creates a digital layout of every room so it knows exactly where it has been and where it needs to go next. The real magic happens when it goes back to its home base. This is not just a charging stand, it is a full maintenance station. It empties its own dustbin. You do not have to breathe in that cloud of allergens. It washes the mop pads with fresh water while it is still working. Then it uses heat to dry them. We're talking about warm air over 100 degrees to make sure those pads do not get smelly or grow mildew. It even refills its own water tank. You could go for months without even looking at this thing. It is also remarkably thin. It is much slimmer than the older versions. It can slide under that low sofa where the dust bunnies have lived for years. Think about coming home after a busy week and the floors still look freshly clean. Every single day they are perfect. You are not just buying a gadget, you're buying back your weekends. It is about reclaiming those hours spent on your hands and knees. The technology has reached a point where the machine is smarter than the mess. It navigates around the chaos of a real-life home. It does not get stuck under the dining chair for an hour. It finishes the job and cleans itself up. No more heavy lifting. No more dirty mop water. Just a clean home that stays that way. It is a total shift in how we think about our chores. We used to be the operators. Now we are just the people enjoying the results. The days of the old-fashioned broom are numbered. This is a hands-free life. You just set it and forget it. It is about that feeling of relief when you see the floor shining and you know you did not have to do a single thing to make it happen. It is pure freedom. It handles the kitchen spills and the hallway dust while you are out living your life. This is the closest we have ever come to a robot that truly takes care of itself. It is a game changer for anyone who values their time. It makes you wonder why we ever did it the hard way for so long.